Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can do your own lash extensions at home by yourself. So what you are going to need is a lash glue, aka hair bond. That is what I use, and then some eyelashes. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to use a razor blade to cut the eyelashes into smaller pieces, as you can see. So yeah, so this is the first one I did. So now I'm going to show you how I applied the lashes. So what you are going to do is apply the glue on the lash. Usually what I do is I pour the glue out and then I just dip the lash in it. That is the lash line. I'm going to put it under my lashes, not on top, and you can see I'm doing it carefully. And before I put it on my lashes, I usually just blow it for like 10 seconds till it's dried, and then not completely dried, but you understand. And then I'm just going to apply it under my lashes. So it's just what you continue doing. And yes, this is the 7th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, so you can come and join the family by subscribing. And yeah, some people don't like using hair bond, but over here that's what I've been using for the longest time. But if you can't use hair bond, you can use a lash glue. I usually like using hair bond because it makes the lashes last longer. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also tell your friends about it. And please don't also forget to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.